So now, in a pack of 52 cards, you have 4 shapes. That is, one is heart, another one is diamond, club and spade. So therefore, how I can write this? So my second sub question is 4 cards of different suit. That means I have to select one card from each. So these are the possibilities. So no men's are selected, all the 3 women's are selected, 1 man or 2 women, 2 men or 1 women. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am, lecturing in Vidyashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In this session, we'll continue the problems on combinations, which we have solved in our previous session. So let us look at the first question of this session. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls if each selection consists of 3 balls of each choice. So we have to select 9 balls. Now I have 6 red, 5 white and 5 blue balls. So we have to select 9 balls where all the 3 balls must be of one of each color. So we need 3 red, 3 white, 3 blue balls. So therefore, number of selection or number of ways of selecting 9 balls out of these will be 6C3 into 5C3 into 5C3. So we are selecting 3 red balls and 3 white balls and 3 blue balls, total 9 balls. So the formula is 6 factorial, 6 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. And here 5 factorial, 5 minus 3, 2 factorial into 3 factorial. 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. If you cancel this, 6 factorial, so we are left with 6 into 4 into 5. And here 3 factorial, 1 3 factorial get cancels, other 3 factorial is 3 into 2. Into 1 is not necessary because it is same, 3 into 2. Next here it is 5 and 3. So we have 5 into 4 divided by 2. And here also 5 into 4 divided by 2. So 3 2s are 6 cancels, 2 1s are 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So we have 20 into 10 into 10. So total 2000. So we can select all 9 balls where we can select 3 red, 3 white balls and 3 blue balls in 2000 ways. Next we have what is the number of ways choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards. In how many of these 4 cards are of the same suit, 4 cards belong to 4 different suit, 4 are face cards, 2 red cards, 2 are black cards, 4 cards are of the same color. So we have different conditions here. So based on that, we need to select the cards out of 52 cards. Let us solve the questions one by one now. So 4 cards of the same suit. So same suit means either you can select from diamonds or club or spade or heart. So now in a pack of 52 cards, you have 4 shapes. That is, one is heart, another one is diamond, club and spade. So these are the 4 shapes you have, and each contains all the numbers A, 2, 3 till J, Q, K. So you have all 13 cards in each. So whereas these 2 are black and these 2 are red. Now you have to select at least 4 cards out of 52 cards. So what will be the number of ways? First calculate what will be the number of ways of selecting 4 cards out of 52 cards. So total number of ways will be 52C4, which is nothing but 52 factorial, 52 minus 4, that is 48 factorial into 4 factorial. So it is 52 into 51 into 50 into 49 divided by 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So when you multiply and solve this, so the answer will be 270725. So this number of ways you can select 4 cards out of 52 cards. But now I have a condition for that. My first condition is this. Suppose 4 cards are of the same suit. Either you can select all the 4 cards from this or this or this or this. Then what will be my combination? So for the first question, number of ways will be, so remember, OR is nothing but plus, AND is nothing but multiplication. So the word which relates to that. So now we have 13 cards of diamond, 13 cards of hearts, 13 cards of spades and 13 cards of clubs. So we have to select 4 cards out of any of these which are of the same suit. So how I will write this? Number of ways will be, so 13C4. It may be diamond or it may be heart or it may be club or it may be spade. So like this we will write. So how many times we have? We have 4 times 13C4. So let us solve this. 4 into 13 factorial. 13 minus 4 factorial is nothing but 9 factorial into 4 factorial. So here 4, 13, 12, 11, 10. Till 9 factorial, all the terms cancel. Here 4, 3, 2, 1. So we can cancel 4 and 4. So again 3 2s are, that is 6 1s are, 6 2s are. So we are left with 13 into 2 into 11 into 10, which is 2860. So these number of ways we can select all the 4 cards from any one of the suits. The next sub question is 4 cards belong to 4 different suits. So we have to take 1 card from each suit. So therefore, how I can write this? So my second sub question is 4 cards of different suit. That means I have to select 1 card from each. So that is how I can write this. Number of ways, that is equal to, so out of 13 diamond, I will choose 1 diamond, and out of 13 hearts, I will choose 1 heart, and 13 out of 1 clubs, and 1 spade out of 13. So here we are going to use multiplication and. So here also it is 13C1, how many times? 4 times to the power 4. And we know that NC1 is nothing but N. So therefore here 13C1 is nothing but 13. So 13 power 4 is equal to 2861. So this number of ways we can select each of the card from 1 suit. Next are face cards. So face card means which have face, that is we can calculate Jack, Queen and King as a face cards. So how many face cards we can select? But we can select only 4. But how many possible ways we can select the face cards? Okay, so here we are going to do for face cards. Now how many face cards we have? We have King, Queen and Jack in all the 4 suits. That is 3 diamond face cards, 3 heart face cards, 3 club face cards and 3 face cards. So therefore total we have 12 cards. So therefore number of ways here will be, we have 12 face cards but we can choose only 4. So therefore it is 12C4. So if you calculate, this is 12 factorial, 12 minus 4 is 8 factorial into 4 factorial, which is 12, 11, 10, 9 divided by 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4 3s are 12 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are 11 into 5 into 9, which is nothing but 495 ways we can select the face cards. The next question is 2 red cards, 2 black cards. So we have 26 red cards, 26 black cards. 13 plus 13, 13 plus 13. So we are supposed to calculate 2 red and 2 black. So how we can select? So now here for the fourth one, number of ways. So we have 26 red cards. Out of that we need only 2, and 26 black cards we need only 2. So calculate this. So this is 26C2 or 26 factorial divided by 26 minus 2, 24 factorial into 2 factorial, 26 factorial, 24 factorial into 2 factorial. So this is 26 into 25 divided by 2, 26 into 25 divided by 2. So when you cancel these two, you will get this as 325 into 325, whose value will be equal to 105625. So that is 1,05,625 ways we can select 2 black cards and 2 red cards. And the last one is all the 4 cards are of the same color. Either you should select all the 4s from the red, or all the 4 must be black. So therefore, fifth one, number of ways. So here, 26 red card, all must be 4, or nothing but plus 26 black cards, all must be 4. So 26 C4. How many times we have here? 2 times we have 26 C4. So calculate this. So here it is 2 into 26 factorial by 26 minus 4 is 22 factorial into 4 factorial. When you expand this, it is 26, 25, 24, 23 whole divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So when you solve this, you will get 29900. So these number of ways you can select all the 4 from the same color. Next question we have. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in which only 5 players can bowl if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers? So we have 17 players. And out of that we have 5 bowlers. So 5 bowlers are there means, so 12 are others. Next, I need to form a cricket team of 11 where it must include 4 bowlers. Then the remaining 7 will be out of these 12. So, therefore, my number of selection or number of ways will be equal to 12C7 and 5C4. So that is out of 12 players, other 7 players has to be selected, and out of 5 bowlers, 4 bowlers must be included. Now let us calculate this. So 12 factorial, 12 minus 7, so which is nothing but 5 factorial into 7 factorial. Here it is 5 factorial, 5 minus 4, 1 factorial into 5 factorial. So when you solve this, so it is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here 4 factorial get cancelled. I am left with only 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled. So multiplying and dividing, we will get the value of 3960. So these number of ways we can choose a team of cricket players framing a 11. Next we have a bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. So we have 5 black, out of the 2 black must be selected. 6 red, out of 3 red has to be selected. So clearly number of ways can be written as 5C2 into 6C3. So this is nothing but 5 factorial by 5 minus 2, 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So here 5 into 4 divided by 2, and here 6, 5, 4 divided by 3 into 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 10, 6 and 6 get cancelled into 20, which is equal to 200. So we can select all the 2 black and 3 red balls out of 5 black and 6 red balls in 200 ways. Next question. A committee of 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. In how many ways can this be done? How many of these committees should consist of 1 man and 2 women? So first, look at how many persons we have to select. So we have to select 3 persons out of 2 men and 3 women. So we have 2 men and 3 women. So what are the possibilities that I can select only 3 persons? That is, I can select no men's, I can select all the 3 as women. So the committee will contain 3 persons. Or I can select 1 man, 2 women. Or I can select 2 men, 1 woman. So the only possibilities is I can select only 3. So these are the possibilities I can select here. So therefore, required number of ways here . Required number of ways here, I can have 2C0 into 3C3 or 2C1 into 3C2 or 2C2 into 3C1. So these are the possibilities. So no men are selected, all the 3 women are selected, 1 man or 2 women, 2 men or 1 woman. So now these are the number of ways we can select. Remember these short terms, NC0 is 1, NCN is 1, NC1 is N. So now using that condition, 2C0 is 1, NCN form is also 1 plus, so here it is 2 and 3C2, or one more term we can write NCN minus 1. NCN minus 1 is also N. So here it is 3 and here it is 1 and here it is 3. So total we have 1 plus 6 plus 3, that is equal to 10 ways. So this is all about the chapter permutations and combinations. We'll meet you with a new chapter in our next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.